Welcome to the tutorial on how to access the Engage Learning Student Reflection submissions. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to access our resources as well as submitting your Engage Learning Reflection within Digication. The easiest way to start is to go to the Loyola homepage, come up here to the search bar in the top right-hand side, and type in CELTS, which stands for the Center for Engaged Learning, Teaching, and Scholarship, and then select our homepage. Once on the homepage here, you can come up to the left-hand side and go to Programs, and go to Engaged Learning. Once on Engaged Learning, you can find out more information about the program and the assessment and the kind of courses we offer, and then come over to the right-hand side and you will see Student Resources. Under Student Resources, you'll then again see Engaged Learning Assessment. On this page, you can see more information about the assessment itself and the categories that are broken down for the Engaged Learning courses. Most of you probably know this either from your syllabi or your faculty member. If you're not sure which category you fall into, feel free to click the following links to figure out what best to submit your reflection to. If you have any other questions or problems, feel free to email engagedlearning@luc.edu. You can also scroll down here to the bottom and click the resource guide for the assessment. Once you expand this accordion, there are step-by-step instructions and image instructions that will guide you through the process that I am about to show you here today. Also, there is a quick link to log into Digication, so you feel free to select that and follow the steps below or continue watching the rest of this tutorial. Once you click log into Digication, if this is your first time, you'll be prompted to accept the terms and agreements. Otherwise, you'll be back here on your familiar dashboard. On the dashboard itself, you can come up here to the left-hand menu, and if you don't see the menu, hover over the Digication button and go down to Courses. Once here, go to the bottom section here that says Join a Course, Assessment Group, or Community. Select that button, and you should be able to see the enrollable courses. You want the Engaged Learning Student Reflection Assessment. When you select that option, it'll pull up this menu here. The password is also utilized here on the site. If you scroll down, it'll give you the password for the student reflection. Otherwise, that password is Engaged Learning, all lowercase. Once you type in that password, select Enroll. Once enrolled, you'll see three tabs: Notifications, Assignments, and People. The one that you'll probably need the most is Assignments. And once you select that, you can see the 5 categories listed out here below. As you can see, I've submitted evidence steps for service learning and undergraduate research as examples, and that has popped up with a little yellow C for complete. Let's, as an example, submit to academic internship. If that's the course that you're in, great. If not, you'll be selecting one of the other sections here. So we'll click step 1. Under step 1 for my evidence, you'll see that there is nothing under evidence added yet. You'll come down here and either choose files. You can choose a portfolio if you have a portfolio to use. You can also use rich text to copy and paste. We recommend the first two of a file upload or an ePortfolio page or a whole website. Once you've done that, you can open the Choose Files button or drop in your portfolio link, and then you come down here to save and submit. Once you do that, you'll be prompted with a little menu that shows that it's processed and done. You'll be directed back here, and if you refresh the page or click the Assignments tab again, you will see that that S up here will have moved to complete. And then you're good to go. If you have other engaged learning assessments, feel free to submit them to the previous or other sections, as mentioned. Otherwise, let us know if you have any trouble, and good luck.